Hello! Today we are back with another Flix adventure in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. We're over at the Little Greenbrier Trail, close to, it's the Weirs Valley entrance in through Tennessee, close to Mom's condo. Say hello, Mom. Hello. Alright, so here we go. Got a dogwood right off the spot here. Of course, we're in the springtime here in the Smokies, and it's just gorgeous. It's supposed to be a really bad rainstorm today, but fortunately the weather forecaster prognosticators were incorrect, and it's actually been a beautiful day. So we are getting in some hiking after all. Mom says watch for bears here. Quite possible bear sightings, and luckily we're prepared for that. Little Greenbrier leads to a school, an old school that they used to use out here in the hills, and mother, who is into child development, of course. Of course, this is a really neat thing for her. Okay, we are coming around a bend here, and we've run into some extremely gorgeous nature here. There's the butterfly. Yeah, we could play. Mother. So we have yet to, we don't recognize that right offhand as far as to the species of that, but we do have a Smoky Mountain, several of those books back at the cabin. We will do some research on that, no doubt. Lots of birds singing, calling. We have encountered another cool species here. And they seem to be over here too, on the side of the trail. Look like they're still in the development stage. Doesn't seem like they fully bloomed or budded yet, but a neat piece of nature to say the least. Again, we'll have to look up the origin of that. Wow, really interesting. Looks like that tree's got scorch marks on it. Looks like it was struck by lightning. It took out a lot of the limbs on this other tree with it as well. Continuing on the little Greenbrier trail here, we haven't discovered a really wicked looking tree formation here, right here along the trail. It's hovering the paralleling the ridge line here into the distance. Here you can look out and you can see Weir's Valley out there, and going into Sevierville and all of that. Some dogwoods peeking through the landscape here. And we're encountering some other hikers. Hey, how are you? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Beautiful. They said it was supposed to rain all day too, right? We totally did. Good thing they're wrong. With the tree like branch growing out vertically from the sideways trunk here. Wow, pretty trippy there. Fallen soldier. I think Mother missed that. We're gonna have to get her back here to take a picture of that. Big old bumblebee. And some more of these flowers starting to bud. How y'all doing? Good. Great day, huh? Amazing. That's Mount Laurel? Thank you. This is Mountain Laurel. See, we now know what it is. And ma'am, what about this? Is this like a wild tulip? A what?
Pink lady slipper orchid.
Pink lady slippered orchid. There you go.
You know what these are?
And these are something too.
These are blueberries.
These are blueberries.
You will see more blueberries on this trail than about any place.
We have blueberries everywhere, and Lord knows I love them in my pancakes and preserves and everything else. So we have a botanist with us. Thank you. We need her knowledge. We are walking amongst things we don't even know. But that's all part of the experience. Alright, here we go. After an encounter with some cool hipsters who were like they were blazing down the trail here, we are coming back around the bend. Some beautiful moss with some slate. And we also have some dogwood action going on. very well kept up trail. It's a pretty local trail here. People who live around Townsend or Wears Valley, Sevierville, or the more remote places of Pigeon Forge. Seems like they're the ones who are hanging out here as opposed to, people who would travel here. It is the most visited national park in the United States, one of the most visited areas in the United States, if not the. We'll have to check the statistics. You can see the really nice work that they have done on the trail there over the many years. Of course, a lot of these mountains and trails were used by the early settlers, and all throughout the moonshining days, and even in Civil War, there's several areas within the park for that. This is particularly one of them, but obviously they must have passed through. A really beautiful mountain laurel resting on the side of the hill. There's a really beautiful some beautiful dogwoods in the background. And of course you have the valley and the mountain peaks. Really fun, little gorgeous local little trail here from where Mother lives. Okay, we are about to turn around and head back the way we came. Evidently, there will not be a school on this adventure, but we'll hit it on another trail. We have another one of these beautiful flowers here. And we're going to press on. Beautiful section of evergreens in here. With some wicked looking pine cones. It's like something out of the Washington Irving sketchbook or something. Mom is calling me over for something. Maybe she spotted some kind of wildlife. Or the better view of the trippy looking Washington Irving-esque